Trust in the workplace, the power of commitment. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll discuss a key aspect of building trust in the workplace, keeping commitments and following through. Trust is the backbone of professional relationships, and how you handle commitments can make all the difference. Let's dive in. When you make a commitment, you're essentially promising to do something. In the workplace, these promises, whether big or small, play a crucial role. By keeping them, 1. You earn respect. Colleagues, managers, and subordinates all value a person whose word they can trust. 2. You build reliability. Over time, you become known as someone who can be counted upon. 3. It fosters a positive work environment. Trust facilitates better communication, collaboration, and overall morale. Before you can keep a commitment, you have to make one. Here's how to ensure they're realistic. 1. Understand the task. Make sure you fully grasp what's expected of you. 2. Evaluate your capacity. Don't overcommit. Check your workload and availability. 3. Set clear boundaries. It's okay to say no or request an extension if you believe the deadline is tight. It's one thing to make a commitment, but another to follow through. Here's how you can ensure you stick to your word. 1. Prioritize. If you've made a commitment, rank it high on your to-do list. 2. Set reminders. Use tools or apps to remind you of upcoming deadlines. 3. Update regularly. If it looks like you may not meet a deadline, communicate this in advance. Keeping stakeholders informed is vital. 4. Seek help if needed. If you're struggling with a task, ask for help or delegate. Despite our best efforts, there might be times when we can't meet our commitments. Here's what to do. 1. Apologize sincerely. Acknowledge the oversight and genuinely apologize. 2. Explain, but don't make excuses. It's fine to provide a reason, but avoid sounding like you're making an excuse. 3. Offer a solution. Think of how you can rectify the situation, whether it's working overtime, getting assistance, or rescheduling. 4. Learn and improve. Reflect on what went wrong and ensure you don't repeat the mistake. Thank you for joining us today. Building and maintaining trust in the workplace is a continuous journey. By making realistic commitments and ensuring you follow through, you not only foster better professional relationships but also carve out a reputation for being trustworthy. We hope you found this video insightful. Until next time, happy learning!